Welcome to all of you. In this video, we are about to discuss the fundamentals of color image processing and what is its importance with respect to the image processing concepts, how it helps us. While giving into the very first, let us have a small introduction here. Very first point to be remembered here is the color is a powerful descriptor. Why? Means it helps us to differentiate between the scene to scene, from object to object, and recognition and separation of object from another object. It is a powerful descriptor, that is in terms of identifying, separating the individual objects in a picture or a scene. Next point is, when you take the color image, it helps us to understand easily or in a better way when compared to the gray shades, because the gray shades are very less. The differentiation from object to object most of the times fails. That's why the differentiation of the objects in the color image processing is very easier, and separation is also very easier. Next one, coming to the types of color image processing, the very first one is full color image processing. Here, the full color image processing is nothing but having the fullest of the color models and original colors, true colors we call them. In this one, very first thing we have to remember is it is used for color televisions, color monitors. In those type of applications, we go with the full color image processing. Whereas one more method is there, we call it as pseudo color image processing, which pseudo means half right, half wrong. Here, assigning of the colors to the monochrome images happens in pseudo color image processing. The another name for pseudo color image processing is also called as false color image processing. This is how types are falling out. Next, going deep into it, very first thing we have to identify in color image processing is what are the primary colors. The primary colors are very well known to everyone who are in the field of image processing. That is red, green, and blue, or GB. That's why most of the images are also called as red, green, blue. And these are most used in the TV monitors, color monitors, televisions, and wherever the display systems are there, they are most used there. Next, coming towards primary to secondary colors. In the secondary colors, we discuss how these primary colors combine themselves to give us the secondary colors. Let's take this very first one, cyan. It is identified by combination of green plus blue, whereas magenta with respect to red plus blue, whereas yellow secondary color is identified by red plus green. That's why secondary colors are called as cyan, magenta, and yellow. Now moving towards primary colors to the color characteristics. These characteristics helps us to differentiate easily. Very first thing is the brightness. It tells about the amount of intensity available in the particular scene or picture with respect to their colors. Next concept is hue. It tells which type of color in the entire image is dominant in size. And the next one, saturation, it tells about how it is going to differentiate from one part to the another part. Next one, color models. In color models, it is already known to everyone. Very simple things. They are, first one is RGB, red, green, and blue. Most of the time, this one is used in the TV monitors or color displays. Second one is CMY, cyan, magenta, yellow. In combination with the cyan, magenta, yellow, we can have the black color, which is most used in the printing process and all, like printing applications most of the times. The third one is referred as HSI, hue, saturation, intensity. Now, as you know, what are the hue, saturation, intensity for the previous one? It helps us to identify the dominant and also intensity of the colors available in the entire image. These are the simple color image processing fundamentals what we are discussing here. And I would like to specially thank Rafael Gonzalez and Richard G. Woods of the third edition of digital image processing subject, which has helped us to gain the knowledge of color image processing and fundamentals in this one. Thank you for listening to our video. Kindly share our video and hope the fundamentals are very easy for you to understand without any clumsiness or without any equations. We have tried to explain in simple words. Thank you.